Need storage or moving services? We've got you covered. Relocating or running out of space? Let us handle your 1 BHK, 2 BHK, or even your entire villa's furniture with care. Why choose us? Safe and secure. Storage. Our clean and secure warehouse in Sharjah ensures your belongings stay in perfect condition. Professional wrapping. We expertly wrap every item to protect it from dust, scratches, and damage. Seamless relocation. Whether it's a 1 BHK or a full villa, we handle your move with ease. No stress, no hassle. Affordable prices. Premium services without premium costs. Sit back and relax. Our team will pick up your furniture, store it securely, and deliver it whenever you're ready. Call now. Spaces are filling fast. Don't miss out on the easiest way to store or move your furniture. Let us make your relocation or storage worry-free today.